So what's up everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to enable sensitive content on Telegram desktop. So firstly, all you have to do is launch Telegram on your computer and log into your account. Click the three-line menu icon in the top left corner of the interface, and then you'll find settings. Just click it. Now scroll and select privacy and security. Scroll to the bottom until you see sensitive content and check the box next to disable filtering. Once enabled, Telegram will no longer filter sensitive content on your account. And after disabling filtering on desktop, the setting applies to your account when you open Telegram on your phone. Previously filtered channels should now be visible unless they were removed by Telegram or deleted by the creator. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.